All right, guys, habit number 28, you got to add this to your diet. All right, what is this? It is coconut oil. All right, now you can cook with it, you can add it to drinks. Later on today, I'm going to show you how to make golden milk, which is a great turmeric drink combined with this. Why do you want this? Well, number one, basically, believe it or not, it helps you burn fat, right? Who doesn't want to do that? Number two, it's actually good to help kill viruses and bacteria, right? It helps keep you healthy. It's great for your dental health. It helps kill the bacteria that causes plaque on your teeth. Also, helps with bad breath, right? Um, but like I said, it's great for your skin. It's great for your hair. There's just not a lot of things that coconut oil is not good for, right? The health benefits are uh, tremendous, all right? So, if you don't currently use coconut oil, I am going to encourage you to start using it. If you already use it, great, all right? So, habit number 28, add some coconut oil to your life.